Yo, what's good? It's the Trading App Insider. Welcome back to Trading App HQ. If you got a Robinhood account and you're staring at that home screen wondering, okay, but how do I actually buy a stock? This video is for you. Real talk. The first time I tried to buy a stock, I sat there for 15 minutes scared I was going to mess something up. So I'm going to walk you through this in 5 minutes, step by step, no fluff. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, in what order, and what every button actually means. Quick disclaimer, this is educational only, not financial advice. Some links in the description are affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Let's get into it. Step 1. Make sure your account is funded. Before you can buy anything, you need money in your Robinhood account. Open the app, look at the bottom, you'll see your buying power. That's the cash you can actually spend on stocks. If it says zero, you need to deposit money first. Even $5 works. Robinhood lets you buy fractional shares, which means you can own a piece of a company without paying for the full share. We'll get to that. Step 2. Tap the magnifying glass. At the bottom of your screen, there's a row of icons. Tap the magnifying glass. That's the search icon. This is where you find the company you want to buy. Step 3. Search for a company you actually understand. Type the name of a company, Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, whatever. The most important rule for your first stock, only buy a company whose business you actually understand. If you can explain what they sell to a friend in one sentence, you're good. If you can't, pick a different one. You'll see results pop up. Look for the official company. Apple's ticker is AAPL. Microsoft is MSFT. The ticker is just a short code the stock market uses. Tap the one you want. Step 4, hit the trade button. Now you're on the company's page. You'll see the stock price, a little chart, some news. Cool. But what we care about is the bottom right of the screen. There's a button that says Trade. Tap it. A menu pops up. Tap Buy. Step 5, choose how much to buy, dollars or shares. This is the part most beginners get wrong. Robinhood gives you two options. Buy in dollars or buy in shares. Buying in dollars is easier for beginners. You type how much money you want to spend, say $25, and Robinhood does the math. You'll own a fraction of a share if the stock costs more than 25. That's fractional shares. It's perfect for starting small. Buying in shares means you pick the number of full shares. Some stocks cost $1, some cost $300. For your first buy, stick with dollars. Way simpler. Step 6, pick your order type, market or limit. Tap order type. You'll see two main options. Market order means you buy right now at whatever the current price is. Fast, simple, done in seconds. For your first stock, this is fine. Limit order means you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Robinhood will only buy if the stock drops to that price. This is for people who are picky about price. For your first time, skip it. Use market. Step 7, review and swipe up. Now you'll see a summary screen. Company name, dollar amount, estimated shares, estimated cost. Read it once. Make sure it's right. When you're ready, swipe up to submit. That's it. You just bought your first stock. If the market is open, your order fills in seconds. If it's after hours or on the weekend, it'll execute when the market opens Monday morning at 9:30 Eastern. You'll get a notification. Boom, you own a piece of a real company. Welcome to investing. Quick aftercare tips. 1. Don't check the price every 5 minutes. Stocks go up and down all day. Watching it constantly will mess with your head. 2. Do not freak out if it drops the next day. 5% swings are normal. Real investing happens over months and years, not hours. 3. Your money usually settles in 2 business days. After that, if you sell, the cash is available to spend again. This is called T+2 settlement. That's the whole process. 7 steps, about 5 minutes once you've done it a few times. If this helped, tap subscribe. I drop a new app tutorial every Tuesday. My next video is the 7 Robinhood settings you absolutely need to turn on for security. That one's right here. Catch you in the next one.